짜잔! 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
오늘은 뭐 할 거예요?
오늘도 우리는 먹는 것에 대해서 이야기할 거예요.
Oh, we're still talking about food today.
That's right.
Okay, let's
네.
go.
So here, 우리 언제 밥 한 번 먹자? Or you can say, 밥 한 번 먹자.
Okay, so breaking down the literal
네.
translation. 우리,
우리.
us, 언제, when, 밥, rice or meal, 한 번 together is an expression meaning one trying. And then 먹자 is let's eat, but then
먹자 is very, let's do it informal.
네.
먹어요. Formal, yeah, let's
어.
eat. And also sometimes it depends the situation. You can say 먹읍시다. Another
먹읍시다.
formal way to say. But when you say 먹읍시다는 you don't want to say older than you. 네, 하면 안 돼요. Yeah. So so what does it mean? This one.
So that's a literal translation, but it really just means like, oh, let's catch up sometime. Let's get some food sometime, right? It's
그렇죠.
kind of like a generic,
네.
let's catch up.
그렇죠. 그런 거야. 근데 here 한국 사람들 we say this one seriously of course, but we say very often to everybody. So when I said, Meg, 우리 한번 밥 먹자. 우리 언제 밥 한번 먹자. Or basically same thing means, we'll catch up. Let's eat and meet. But it's my intention, 70% I'm serious about that. We're gonna really meet and eat.
Let's really make a plan.
Yeah, but 30% it doesn't, if it doesn't happen, I'm okay with it.
괜찮아요.
그런 거죠. 그런 거죠. But me, I'm very serious about what I said. So if I said, 우리 밥 한 번 먹자, means I'm very serious. That's me. Then I must eat. Really meaning. So if somebody said to me, then I'm gonna make sure to. I'm gonna really. When I'm gonna ask them. But rest of Koreans, like most people in Korea, they're just like 60 or 70% serious. But 30 or 40%, it's okay if we don't eat together. Yeah. But I think my personality, if I say that, then I'm gonna really eat. I really mean it. And then when people say to me that, I really mean it too. I just gonna take a little more seriously.
So it's like, we should get some food sometime. Really? Okay, when? I'll pull up my calendar.
I need to be more like that.
네.
근데 we have now a lot of foreigners in Korea. If Korean people say, 우리 언제 밥 한번 먹어요? Most foreigners say, 언제요? When? 오늘? Today? Tomorrow? They're very a lot more
receptive and like actually want to make a plan.
Then many times Korean people, 내일어? 나중에? 예, 이따가 is just a little bit later, kind of almost same day. But 나중에, later, 나중에. 그렇게 해죠.
Later.
So a lot of people are like, you ask me? When? I'm not sure. 그렇게. 네. It's a culture in Korea.
So that's an important thing to know. If someone asks you when you're getting someone to eat, you can decide whether or not you want to take it seriously, I guess.
그렇죠. But I'm sure some people in Korea are very serious when they say that. They really mean it. Let's eat. 네. So just you need to believe your own intuition. When the person who said to you very serious about that, what they just say, just put a figure.
I'm finding a lot of Korean is like interpretation and intuition.
It could be.
And
그렇죠, 맞아요.
It makes it really hard to learn rules. 괜찮아요.
네. You can use your mental more in Korea.
네. You get a bigger brain just learning.
So 다시 한번 해볼게요.
네.
우리 언제 밥 한 번 먹어요?
우리 언제 밥 한 번 먹어요?
그렇죠. When you say here, 언제 means really not sure when. 그죠? So, or we can say people, 밥 한 번 먹자.
밥 한 번
먹자. 그렇게 할 수 있죠.
네. Let's get some food.
네, 맞아요.
네.
It makes sense?
네.
Of course, next time we'll talk a little more about eating thing. We are that serious about.
Very
Very,
serious.
very serious.
We don't joke around here.
네. So whenever you see people in the morning, 아침 드셨어요? Did you eat breakfast? We ask like that. When you see lunchtime, 점심 드셨어요? Did you eat lunch? And also we ask for dinner too. We are really deadly serious about
Yeah,
eating.
that's how you say hello. Have you eaten breakfast?
네, 그렇죠? 오케이. 여기는
네.
오늘은 여기까지 할까요?
합시다.
짜잔!
안녕.
안녕.